Welcome back to Upcycling project videos. Today, we have an exciting DIY upcycling project in store for you. Don't forget to subscribe and support us. Get ready to turn discarded pallet wood into a stunning and unique coffee table that will add a touch of rustic charm to your living space. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need pallet wood, a circular saw, a sander, wood glue, screws, and a drill. Begin by carefully disassembling the pallet to retrieve the individual wooden planks. Make sure to remove nails and any debris. Smooth out the rough edges and surfaces of the planks using a sander. This step will give your table a polished look and prevent any splinters. Using a circular saw, cut the planks to your desired length for the tabletop. Arrange them side by side to create the tabletop surface. Apply wood glue along the edges of the planks and then screw them together to secure the tabletop. Make sure everything is aligned properly. Now, attach the table legs to each corner of the tabletop using screws and a drill. You can opt for pre-made table legs or even repurpose old ones. Give your coffee table a finishing touch by staining or painting it in a color that complements your decor. This step will enhance its rustic charm. And there you have it. Your very own creative pallet wood coffee table. It's a true testament to the beauty of upcycling and DIY creativity. Thanks for joining us in this pallet wood coffee table adventure. Remember, with a little imagination and some basic tools, you can transform discarded materials into functional and stylish pieces for your home. Creative pallet wood coffee table #DIY Upcycling #home decor #rustic charm.